Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. God bless you guys for being here. It's Overflow next to the channel Faith, Trading, and Wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. Hope everybody's blessed today. Hope everyone's well. I appreciate you being here if you are here. What's up, Gerard? How you doing, brother? Appreciate you for being on here, man. This is my first time having you on here. Leroy, what's up? How we doing, brother? You said, what's up, Sensei? Good call on Ethereum. Yeah, man. Yeah, I called it last night, but, you know, the problem was last night I called it a little too early, but it is what it is. It took a loss last night, but I called the trade for a short this morning, so now we're good. But other than that, you know, God bless everybody that being here. Thank you for, you know, letting me know it was a good call, you know, even though we took a little loss last night, but it's all good. But, you know, losses, you know, get replaced with wins in this market, and there's always opportunity. So I'm excited. I'm happy to be here as always. You guys, y'all know that I enjoy, you know, giving you guys the best content out there, whether that be gaming or whether that be, you know, just trading. But I do appreciate you guys taking out the time to be here today. It is a blessing. So how y'all doing though? If y'all are feeling good this morning, say what's up. Tell me where you're from. If you're new here watching, if it's your first time watching, let me know. Or if you're just someone that, you know, just watches on the sidelines and doesn't say nothing, you know, don't be afraid to say what's up. But I would appreciate that if you said, you know, you just said, hey, how you doing? Because I like to, you know, interact with my audience and, you know, get chill with my audience. So once again, I don't take this for granted. I'm here to make y'all money, here to have fun, here to help everybody understand how to trade and learn how to trade and read the charts. And then after that, you know what we do. Let's see. What's up, Mike J? How we doing? You said, yo. What's good, man? How's it going? Okay, so, you know, I have two screens up right now. So I have on my monitor, I have two screens up here. Let me turn on this light because it's kind of dim. Kind of dim right there. All right. But yeah, so I'm looking at two screens right now, and I see the comments are on both sides. I have two separate ones because I can't really tell what's going on one of the charts on one of the screens, because one of the chat boxes is not synced up with YouTube, so I had to have a separate one for that. But other than that, what's up, you guys? You said you took the trade. You're up 20%. Wow, that's what's up. Yeah, definitely show your results in the Discord, man. That's awesome. You're up 20% already. We just called it probably like 30 minutes ago. How we doing, Mike? Let's see. What's up, Jose? How we doing, Jose? What's up, brother? David, what's up? How we doing? I appreciate y'all all being here. Like I said, I don't take this for granted. I love y'all being here. I love y'all support. You know, at the end of the day, I'm just trying to give you guys the best content. I always want to give you guys the best, as always. That's why I'm always improving and doing things different here. And y'all see, if y'all used to watch my old live streams, y'all see that the background has changed. I changed a lot of stuff. I want it to be aesthetically pleasing as well and look more professional. So I created that the layout and everything that you see on the screen right now. So if y'all are streamers yourselves and y'all want to get into content or think about getting into content creation, if you want to ever reach out and let me make you like a background or scenery, let me know, because I do that now. But all the editing and the stuff that you see on the screen, that's all me. I do everything on my own. So sometimes it takes me a while to put out content, but I will get you guys some content. I think I'm gonna be uploading a video later on today. I'm not sure. We'll see what the Lord has me to do, but I do have a word from the Lord, but I haven't got the full message yet. So I will be I will be listening to the Lord for. So I won't have a real message today just yet. I'll probably have one later. But I just want to say, say to you guys, stay blessed, stay good, continue to seek Jesus Christ while you can, and make the most of what you're doing in your life. All right. Because you can't take these days for granted, because, I've been seeing on the news and, just different stuff, so different social media outlets that there's a lot of things going on in the world right now, and people, don't know when their time is coming. So, during the time that you do have, because our life is like vapor, I want to just push the idea and the thought of, repenting, getting to know Jesus Christ, and really turning from your ways that are sinful in His eyes, and really having a genuine relationship with our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. So I do want to put that out there for those that are new here. This is for a God First channel, but I do want to put that out there for anybody that is looking for something out there, and God is the way. He's going to show Himself to you guys if you really seek Him. So that being said, let's see. Thank you, Bobby 5 Kerr, for subscribing. I appreciate that. God bless you, brother. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. But once again, I always want to push my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because I really want everybody to know that He is the truth, the way, and the life, and the only way to heaven is through Jesus Christ. So that's something that's big, that a lot of people, because at the end of the day, this is something that, everybody's got to think this thought one day, whether that be now or at the end of your deathbed, you're going to think, is there a life after this? Everybody has that thought at one point in their life. Is there something after this? And the answer is yes. And when you face God, face to face, you're going to have that opportunity to, you're going to have that, that opportunity to say what your life was about. He's got to ask you for an account of what you did for your life. And, whether that's, you did, whether you were living for Him or not, you're going to be judged accordingly, and you're going to be sent to where, you're going to be sent to, whether that be heaven or hell. So I just want to say that, this, sometimes these are not the messages that people like to hear, but these are the messages that people do need to hear. So I did want to say that. Jose, you said Isaiah 41:10. Yep, you know what it is. But yeah, I appreciate that, James. How you doing, James? You said hit up the like button, y'all. Yeah, definitely smash that like button. YouTube is funny when it comes to getting people's content out and promoting content. So if y'all really love the content, go ahead and drop some likes, because that helps the channel grow. And also hitting the bell notification also helps the channel grow as well. So put your bell notification on, and help the channel. Is help support the channel. And those that are members, I appreciate you. Mike J, I know you're a member. You were asking which Discord channel do you make the trade calls? The same one that you're in right now. So did you connect Discord to YouTube? Yeah, you should. You're in there. I see your name, Mike J 2020, right? That's you. Because if you're in there, you should see the trade setups. If you go to the student section, it's in the Overflow Nexus area. It's in the Overflow Nexus area. If you look at the student chat, go down and go to trade setups, and you'll see it. So yeah, you'll see it if you look in there. But yeah, let's see. Leroy, you said you should get on around the blockchain to get more eyes on you. What do you mean by that? Ain't I already on the blockchain? But let me go ahead and get into these charts for you guys. We just missed the trading opportunity for Bitcoin just now. No, actually 4 hours ago we just missed it. So I was pretty much asleep by that time, so I would have missed that trade anyway. But the trade is also setting up. If you do want to take it, there is a bullish engulfing candle that is forming on Bitcoin currently on the 4-hour. So if I were you guys, I would wait for hour 50 minutes before that, so that candle could close first, because once that candle closes, I'll get a better idea if it's gonna go short or not. But I'll give you guys my perspective here in a second. I just wanted to chat it up with you guys, just talk with you guys. If y'all have any questions too, or anything that y'all want us to talk about, I'm always open to talk about any topic. Everybody knows that I'm pretty open about whatever topic it is. I don't shy away from anything. Just be respectful, and we'll be good. But sometimes we get people that say crazy things. But hey, that's part of life. Sometimes you get people saying crazy things. I don't know if anybody's watching from Twitch, because I do know I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So I don't know if anybody's on Twitch, but if you are on Twitch, feel free to say what's up. Don't be shy. I speak to everybody. And also, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this technical analysis. I'm looking at Bitcoin right now on my chart. Bitcoin, we missed the shorts, like I said, 4 hours ago, but it is looking like it will continue further to the downside. So let me show you guys that. All right, so looking at Bitcoin, let's go here. We had this gigantic cipher pattern that I called, on Jason's channel. So if you guys were on Jason's channel when I called this, this is the move right here. It did attempt to go back to the upside, but we are getting rejected at this order block. And this is where I was looking to take the trade, but we missed it by one candle back here. So we should have been in the trade already up here. So, excuse me, I'm looking at the market continuing to go down from this point. Taking Ichimoku off, this is a order block. Institutional traders are looking at this area, and that's why I always tell y'all about institutional levels if I see them. But right here, you see the market already pushed lower, and really they might push the market just into here and may start taking profits. Because if the market holds at this point, which is at 37,600 or 37,720, we'll see the market continue to go higher. But right now, the momentum looks like it's very bearish. Many reasons why I am bearish. You said what pattern? What is that pattern? So a cipher pattern. This is just the crab pattern. So the crab pattern is just a bearish. It's a bullish pattern, but it has rules that it has to abide by to go bullish. Because usually it makes a 50% retracement, which will take us back to this B in the middle over here. So if you look at it from this perspective, you see that B right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right here it says B. But usually when you get a pattern like this, this is a bullish pattern, and usually wants to retrace 50%. So we're not getting that right now. What the market is showing us that the market is still strong to the downside. Any divergence at all? Yes, there actually is divergence. Wow. So we do have some bearish divergence actually right now going on. Let me show you guys. It's actually hidden bearish divergence. So this is actually moving lower, while this right here was moving higher. And we just got a short signal just now. So if once this candle closes, you could take the short, but make sure you have good risk management on this short, because it is a little late. I prefer getting in closer to an order block level, but we missed that, so it's fine. But looking at the momentum, and once we see this 4-hour candle close, this is going to be bearish. What's up, Jay Swayze? How we doing, brother? Appreciate you being here. What's up, Najee? How you doing? I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. I appreciate that. I appreciate that for real. But what I'm saying here right now, currently, we're still having signs of bearish. We have this hidden bearish divergence, so I'm expecting a further push to the downside. First target I'm gonna look at is the 36,500 levels between here. So I'm expecting the market to come back down in here. So let me already set this. So this is gonna be the target down in here for now. And if we break below this order block, then we'll fall into these levels down here. So I'm gonna extend this to this bubble, and I'm gonna get rid of this bubble because there's so much going on here. So this is gonna be the full target here. I do still think that Bitcoin is going to fall harder to the 29K, 30K levels. So we'll see. But I'm still bearish on this. This is my overall point of view. The reason why I'm bearish as well, let me explain this and tell you my perspective and my psychology on this trade. First of all, we're underneath the cloud, so we should automatically be looking for shorts. So whenever you're under the cloud, you should immediately think, okay, short the market. If you're above the cloud, you should think, okay, long the market. But just because we're above or below the cloud does not mean we will move higher or higher or even further down. You have to have some reasons why you're getting into a trade. So here, why I got into this trade, I always say certain things. I say when you are trading, I always tell my students this: you need to have 3 things to even confirm a trade. If you don't have a trade set up, if you don't have these 3 things, you don't have a trade, period. So the 3 things that I always tell my students: you have to have a level, you have to have a signal, and you have to have a trigger. If you don't have none of those 3 things, you don't have a trade. You just take off the day. You don't trade nothing. If you break your rules, if you break those 3 rules, you will lose in the market. I guarantee that. Because for a level, and what I mean by level, I mean support and resistance. But what is support and resistance? Support and resistance is not a line. Support and resistance is not just a area that we see. It's a zone. So a zone would be like this green bubble here, this green box here, where you see these. So these are levels. Another level would be like the cloud. That's another level. The fractal is a level. The Tinkerson and the Kijinson are the level as well. So these are levels. All right. So if you're not seeing these, if you don't have these, if you're not trading at a level, most likely you're going to lose on that trade because you're just trading blindly. You're trading with emotions. Always trade at a level. The reason why I tell people this is because that's how institutional traders trade. When you trade like this, you're going to be trading with the Wow. Are y'all still here? Let me know if you are still here. Let me know in the chat box. Apparently, we disconnected for a moment on OBS. So if y'all are still here, let me know. I don't know what's going on OBS or not, whatnot, but apparently it's acting a fool. So let me see if so y'all are still here. Good. Yeah, I don't know what just happened. On my end, it said disconnected. So let me see what is going on here. Give me a second, y'all, because I need to make sure it's fine. Okay, so you said you lagged out. How many people are watching on y'all's end? Because it says 18 on my screen. I don't know if that's true or not. Let me see. Let me check the connections on my phone because apparently it said it's something disconnected. All right. Yeah, let me know how many people are watching. Okay, so it says it's still connected. That's strange. Okay, so it must have disconnected for like a split second. So that's weird. Okay, so let me check these comments and let me explain what I'm seeing here as well. Okay, it says 11 on YouTube. Okay, so on my end it says 18. So that's strange. Hopefully we get 18. If you are just jumping on here, hit the like button, please. Hit the like button so we could get more people, so that YouTube algorithm could read this channel and promote this live stream, because that's how YouTube works nowadays. So go ahead and hit that like button if you are here, if you haven't hit it already, and also hit the bell for notifications as well, because YouTube is weird like that. I'm not sure why we disconnected for a moment. I'd have no idea what that's about. Maybe it's because the weather changed, because it is raining and it is cold today, so maybe the weather has something to do with it. The storm we had earlier, pretty much knocked out some lights, so that might be the reason. So I don't know. Let me see. Mike's still here. Leroy's still here. Jose's still here. Jay Swayze, you're still here. Okay. General, you're still here. Okay, great. All right. So, okay. Braveheart, what's up? How you doing? Appreciate you being on the live stream, brother. Okay, appreciate that. But yeah, let me get back to what I was explaining here. I was saying if you don't have a level, you don't have a trade. And that's probably why they knocked my stream off, because I'm telling the secrets of the market. But anyway, right here is a level, and it's an order block. And this is why we have the market, moving lower. So those that are my students that are in the student Discord, if you took the Ethereum trade, you should be in profit. right now. So I'm happy that you guys got to get in on that. Right now, Bitcoin is looking to go short here. The entry point for Bitcoin will be at 37,836. It has not triggered yet, but once this candle closes, wait for that market to trigger you in. Don't enter in too early, and then that's why. And then you'll get into the trade. That's why you got to be patient when it comes to trading, because sometimes you'll get caught up in trades that you may get in a little too early. So like last night, we got in a trade a little too early. Let me see. Yeah, you said Leroy said you giving out their secrets. That's why it's lagging. Yeah, it's probably why it's lagging. And also, let me take this off too. I have so many things on my chart. So many tabs open too. So that might be a case as well. But it shouldn't be too bad because of that. My connection is good. I have AT&T where I'm at, so apparently they say it's the best, but I don't really think that that's the best connection. But it is what it is. You said you re-entered your shorts at 39K for Bitcoin, XRP, and Kusama and Cardano. Nice. Let me know how those trades work out for you, man, because I know you've been killing it with the trading in the Discord. So yeah, definitely check that out. Yeah, definitely let me know. I'm definitely interested in your trading. Let's see. You speaking of supply and demand zones, I'm guessing? No, supply and demand zones, no, I'm not. They're similar to supply and demand zones, but they're not necessarily supply and demand zones. They're slightly different, because order blocks can be in the middle of the chart. Supply and demand zones are at certain levels in the market. You said, what time frame am I using? I'm using the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I usually use the daily or the 4-hour because it's better for finding real entries in the market or finding the direction of the market. So I always, take trades on look for trades on like the 4-hour time frame and also the daily for direction. And then sometimes I'll get on the 15-minute or the hour to like get a sniper entry, like wick entries, like catching the top of the wick or the bottom of the wick or whatever the case may be. But that's another story. That's something else for another day. Leroy, you said order block and fractal zones. Yeah, the order block and fractal zones are similar, but order blocks are slightly different than fractals. Slightly. They're just a slightly different. But for Bitcoin, this is my setup. This is the trade setup. I do think we'll fall even lower. Just going to wait on it, and we'll see from there. Ethereum, you're asking for Ethereum. This was a trade that we took earlier on Ethereum. I called a short. I would have to show you guys the Discord group, but that's for students only, so I can't really. But we called the trade up in here, so we're in profit now. As for where the targets are, we also just had a Chiku span bounce. I also was talking about this area in the student Discord. So I said, watch for that CS bounce here, and we just got that CS bounce. So once this candle closes, we got that V, that upside down, well, this A formation, which is showing us, we're seeing the momentum moving down for Ethereum. What I want to see for Ethereum, I want to see it break underneath the red line, and then I'll be even more, even more excited for the market to move lower, because that's gonna give us more confirmation that the market's going down. Let's see, T-Cat, what's up? How you doing? You said I'm just retired from AT&T in 25 years. Dang, man. So you've been in that game for a minute. You said if you have fiber service, should be great. If you still use Verse Copper, then sketchy. Okay, thanks for the heads up. I think it is fiber service. I'm not sure because I think the apartment that I live in, they provide everything when it comes to the from the internet to the cable service. So AT&T is their partner here. So I'm not sure if it is fiber service, but I'm pretty sure they pretty much would do that. I have to check again. You have gig fiber from our local electric company. Nice. And so that's nice right there. Let me see. But yeah, looking at this, we're still bearish on RCI as well. We just got a short signal on the 4 hour. So I'm thinking that this is going to come down. And I think that this market is going to bleed a little more. As for targets, I'm looking to target this area. Let me show you right down in here. I'm thinking first target will be 2516. So 2516. Once we get here, then I'll have a little bit of a idea if we're going to get past this, because this is an area that I'm looking at as well. See if we could get past this level, because this is also an order block too. So buyers might look at this level and we might have some fight here, but depending on the momentum, looking at this market, it looks like we're gonna break through here. Another thing that could happen, I do think we'll probably come down here, and if this continues to go higher and this continues to stay flat here, this is going to be a double bottom, and this is going to be bullish divergence. If price comes down here and holds and this is still coming up. So that's what I'm looking at as well. So I do think we'll come down here, and once we get to that level, then we will be, then I'll be sure of what's going on. So I'm going to have a target, and I'm going to have my alert set right here. I'm actually going to move my alert down right here. So once we get alerted, if we do get into this area, I do think we'll be fine. So we'll see. Let me take a look at XRP. XRP is always, a number one fan, a number one asset on this channel. So let me see. We're still very bearish on XRP. We did have this slight pullback, but we're still overall bearish. Let me go to the 1 hour because something's interesting here. Let me see. Let me take this off for a moment. Something is interesting here on on XRP chart. And I also said in the student Discord, wait for the breakout. I was expecting this to go down, but I also said wait for the breakout, because when you get a triangle pattern, this should have been a bearish trade here, but when it comes to trading triangles could break in either direction. So that's why when I see these patterns, I said wait for the breakout and then the retest, because look here. We had the breakout and the retest within the close to the same hour. So here was the breakout and here was the retest. We came up, retested here, market went up. So always wait for that retest when you're taking a trade. And then also right now, we could look for a short right now at this moment for XRP, because we are having a Kumo breakout right here. So let me zoom in for you guys so y'all can see this. So we're having a Kumo breakout right now for XRP. All right, so I could take this off now. Another thing that's interesting here is if XRP comes down here and it holds, we could see Chiku Span bounce off the price and move higher. But right now we're seeing this Kumo breakout, which is bearish. We don't have a death cross yet, but we are breaking below the Gungeon here. So that's another sign that this market may be moving lower. So looking at the RCI is bearish or getting bearish. This just broke underneath. This is coming up, but this is the lagging. This is lagging, so I'm not gonna really count this. I'm looking at these two here. So I'm still gonna hold on to that short sentiment. And then also we see a volume for bears coming in the market. So I'm also looking at that. Is there any divergence here that I need to pay attention to? Let's see. This is interesting because right here there is some hidden bullish divergence. So if depending on how the next, you know what, I'm gonna wait for this one. I'm not gonna call this one yet because there's hidden bullish divergence here. I'm gonna hold on to this one because this one is giving me two signs. This one was a bearish break, but RCI is bearish. But what I'm also seeing here is that hidden bullish divergence, which is making me hesitate here. Because usually when you get hidden bullish divergence, that's a good sign. But right here, we could get a bounce now that I'm seeing that. So I'm gonna wait. I'm probably gonna call that call this trade in the student Discord. So if you are a student, be waiting for that, because right now I'm not seeing a clear sign for XRP yet. So I'm gonna put my alerts in between here. So either way, if it breaks to the upside, we're gonna catch it. If it breaks down, we're gonna catch it. So I have 2 alerts in place. So we'll see what happens here, but something interesting is happening right in here. So be mindful of that. And also there's an order block. I just almost missed that too. So yeah, we have an order block here. So this is interesting. If we hold here, then we might be able to push up a little bit higher for XRP. And we'll see from there. All right, so that's what I have for XRP. I'm not going to call anything just yet. That one's a little weird based off Ichimoku. There's a lot of signals there, so I'm going to wait for probably an hour or 2 and see what happens here. Let's see Cardano. Let's take a look at Cardano. Let's see Cardano. I'm still bearish here. We just had a retest at the Tinkinson here, so this is looking bearish. There's not a trade signal here yet, but I'm still looking for a potential short here. See, I'm still looking for a potential short here, but we don't have that signal yet, so I can't call it yet. And also, if I'm coming down to the 4-hour, I will look to take the trade somewhere in here. Wait till the price comes in this area, and we might not even get it because we already rejected underneath here. So if I were you, once this candle closes, if it closes like this, put your entry here right underneath this wick. Let the market trigger you in. Don't chase the market. And I will look for a short right here. This is what I would look for this trade setup for Cardano, because that's what I'm seeing right now. But you know, right now, and there's also bearish divergence here too, hidden bearish divergence as well. Let me show you this. So from this point to this point, and then on the RCI from this point to this point. We just don't have a signal to short yet, but I would short this if I were you, and maybe we might come down here looking at this market. So let me give you some targets. You first want to aim here because this is your 1-to-1 measured move. That will take you to the 77 cent level, 77 cent 484 level. And then once you get past that, then you have levels down here to look at. But don't get too excited yet. We still have to break below here. That's the fluctuation point. Once you break this fluctuation point, then you might have a good chance of hitting that 1-to-1 measured move. So these will be our 2 first targets here. First target will be at 84.20, and then the second target will be at 77.48. So that's what I'm seeing for Cardano. So that one is a pretty interesting one. Let me know how this trade setup goes for you. I don't usually trade this one, but I look at this one from time to time. Let's see. Let's go with Solana. Let me go back to my chart list. Let's see. Solana. Solana is still. So last time we looked at Solana, we recognized that it hit all of our targets. So we're really out of this trade. We don't need to be in this anymore. So let me go ahead and turn this off. But I am noticing that Solana, what's going on here. Let's see. Let me make sure. There also is some hidden bullish divergence here as well. Let me show you this. So from this point, we should have probably been in the trade already, but since we missed, it's not quite over yet. You could still get in this trade. You could enter on this when this candle closes, but this is showing some hidden bearish divergence here. If I was to take this trade with you, I would look to go here and maybe even lower. And if I'm using the wave theory, then yeah, probably look to go a lot lower here. So let me give you some targets for Solana. I just have an alert for something. I have an XRP alert. Let me check that real quick. So this is what I'm looking at for Solana. If you guys are wanting to enter in on Solana, this is a trade for you. This is what I would look for. You have that divergence underneath the cloud. Everything's bearish here. It just bounced off this level. So yeah, I would look to go short here if I were you guys. You also have divergence here on the CVO as well. Oop, let me take that off. You have divergence here as well. So yeah, this hidden bearish divergence is strong. So you got double hidden bearish divergence. You got hidden bearish divergence on the CVO, and then you have hidden bearish divergence on the RCI. So this is giving you double confirmation that this market is going short. That's why you're seeing it come down now. So I would look to go short here at this very moment. So actually, I'm going to take that one for myself. Let me put that trade in. Hold up. Let me show y'all. Hold on a second. Let me go ahead and put this in. Solana. Here it is. So yeah, I'm going short on Solana. So this is what the trade looks like on my screen. Like, I don't know if y'all could see that or not. I don't know if y'all could see that, but that's how it looks like on my screen when I take trades. So if you're interested in trading with a broker, I have a broker that y'all could use. Next time I'll probably get the link for it and I'll put it in the chat box. But right now I don't have that luxury. You said you shorted Kusama at 131. Okay, let me check that one out because I know you asked about that. I don't even know which one that is. I never heard of Kusama. What's the abbreviations for it? Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, I've never heard of Kusama, but I'm also going to look at XRP in a second because I just had an alert for it. So give me a second for this one. Kusama, where did you said you shorted at 131? Oh, you're solid then. You're in profit anyway, so you're good. This is still looking bearish. Actually, hold on a second. Yeah, it's still looking bearish, but I'm concerned because the Gungeon and the Tinkerson are both flat. So you may lose some momentum down here. So if you don't care about that, just focus more on the 4-hour time frame. You don't have to focus on the daily. Daily's overall direction, but the 4-hour is the current market, the market that's gonna move faster. So here's your trade setup. So if you're gonna go short here, wait for the breakout, the retest, and then drop to the downside. If you're looking to go, if you're looking to go bearish still. So these would be your targets. Now, if you're looking to go bullish, most likely the market's gonna try to push up to this level or this one right here. So this is the order block and this is the fractal level. So if the market does push up right now, these are the levels that you would look for to go higher. So be paying attention to that. This is a tricky one. Overall, the market's still bearish, so that's why I'm leaning towards a bearish sentiment. But looking at Kusama, I would still think this market's going down, but I'm not ignorant to the fact that it could still push up higher. Based off the daily, the Gungeon and Tinkerson, both are blue and red line. They're flat, so when they're flat, this is saying that the momentum of the market's slowing down at this level. So you may see a pushback up here, which is why I'm like, And I wouldn't be surprised because right here's an order block too. So don't be surprised if it comes back up here. So let me mark this on the 4-hour. So this is going to be the daily order block. So yeah, this is the daily order block here. So we have that in place. So don't be surprised if the market can't pushes back up to these levels as well. It is possible just based off the daily, but wait for this breakout of this triangle and you'll have your answer. Don't rush it. What you should do, come to your chart, click on it, and set an alert. So whatever direction that it breaks, you're gonna catch it. So there you go. Put alerts right there. What leverage do you normally play with on average? So mine is automatically set at 500. So it's 1 in 500 leverage. and then the other one, is set to 1 in 50, and then 1 in 10. So yeah, it jumps. I know trading with a broker is different from trading with a exchange, because it's automatically built into your trades, so you don't have to set it. But trading crypto is between 1 in 10 and 1 in 50 leverage, and then sometimes it'll be bumped up to 1 in 500. So yeah, it's not smart, but hey, sometimes it can play off really well. What's up, Darcy? How you doing? Let's see. Let me go back to XRP real quick, because we just got an alert there. Let's see. So XRP did hit down here. It did trigger that alert, but you see how it rejected this order block here. So depending on how this goes, this might hold here. I'm not sure yet, because XRP is a wild one. I'm also seeing the cloud is starting to get angled back to the downside here, which is what's getting my attention. XRP has too many different reads on it right now, which is very strange, but it's actually normal for XRP. So I'm not, too, surprised by it. So let me see here. I'm gonna just say this: once we break this order block, I'm officially bearish, but I'm not getting that right now. So a few different signs here. Let me see something. I may have missed something. All I see is that divergence here. But other than that, if it holds here, then we'll see higher prices for XRP. But it's a hard one to call. It's a hard one. That's why I'm not gonna really call this one yet. I'm not gonna call XRP just yet. This one's a really hard one to call. So I'm not gonna say nothing here. I'm gonna still leave this one alone. Let me go to Tezos. Oh. Let me see. Let me go to the daily real quick. So Tezos hasn't officially hit its last target yet. We did bounce off this level, so if you are in the Tezos trade from like last week, because we called it way up here, if you are still in this Tezos trade, you could take all your profit right now. If you did take this trade. If not, just keep holding. If you believe this trade is gonna keep going, move your stop loss down to profit, because this is still looking like it could go lower based off the daily. We just got a death cross right there, so I'm still bearish here, but I do see the market is trying to push higher. So we may push higher first, then drop lower. So let's go back to the 4-hour and see what's going on. And we're starting to get a round booty right here on the cloud. You see this roundness? Whenever you see the cloud getting round like that, that's a sign that the market may start to reverse. So don't be surprised here if we reverse here on Tezos. Come at least up to this level. That's an order block there. And then we have a fractal level right here. So let me take this off. Take that off. There's a lot of lines I don't need on here. So we could also pull back. Actually, we already did pull back to that. But where I would look for my trade now, it would be here or up here. And right now, it's looking like we're going to be bouncing off the fractal level here. So I'm going to wait here. There's no signal yet to short. Unless you're trading price action, you should have been in the trade already on this candle. But right now, there's no signal yet to short. RCI is about to give us a short signal here, so that is also something to pay attention to. So if you are going to take this trade for Tezos, this is what I would look for. Something like this. So your entry would be at 308, $3.08. Overall target will be at $2.52. That's your overall target, which will take us down here. So that's what I'm seeing for Tezos right now. This one is, looking interesting. I think that this one is going to, this one's gonna come down lower. We also have this in-wave structure. Let me show y'all this in-wave structure as well. So from this point to this point to this point, which will take us a little below that 1-to-1. But this is where I would look to take all profit, and this is the area where pay attention to, because this is a fluctuation point, this green zone. So if we get to this green zone, it might hold here and then push higher, or it might break here. So can't call that yet until we get here. When we get closer to this level, I'll check the volume and the momentum and see what happens here. All right. So that's what I'm seeing for Tezos. This is gonna be interesting. I should wait for this to close, but I'm gonna be aggressive on this one. All right. Good morning, sister. How you doing? Staying warm? Yes, indeed, because it's cold. It's like, okay, you guys. So it was like almost like, I believe it was 60 something degrees yesterday, or 70 something. I don't remember. But anyway, point is, it was a lot warmer than what it is right now. It's like going down to the 20s at this moment. So the weather changed so drastically. Like the other day, you could swim, and now you can't even swim. So I don't know what's going on with this weather. It's crazy, but other than that, this weather is pretty interesting over here in Texas right now. I can't do cold weather. I hate cold weather. Cold weather is only good when it's only good when you're taking a nap. You have the fan on, you're going to sleep. But other than that, cold weather itself, no, it sucks. I can't stand cold weather. But let's see. Any requests? So if you are a member, you go ahead and give me your request. If you are not a member and you want to be a member, go ahead and join the membership for Cloud Life. Join the Nation Hidden in the Cloud. You'll get access to the Discord. Actually, the Discord's free, but you'll get student access if you are a VIP member or a Legend member. If you want to just be a regular member of the channel, you could get the first tier, just be a Cloud Alliance member, where you could get access to some requests and other basic perks. But other than that, if you have requests right now, let me know. I'm taking some requests, and then we'll get into some playing Enter the Gungeon. All right, so I'll wait for y'all's request. And while I'm waiting for y'all's request, I'm gonna go ahead and look at these messages I got on my phone. I'll be patient today. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting some love on my Instagram post. Just a little bit of love. Okay, so nobody has a request right now? Okay, I'm surprised y'all don't have a request today. Usually y'all have a lot of requests, but I guess not today. So if y'all don't have any requests, I'm going to go ahead and start the Enter the Gungeon. Friday, I'm going to play Apex for the first time. So you guys, if you want to watch me play Apex for the first time, I'm going to play Friday. I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never played a round of Apex. I've just been practicing in the firing range. I'm working on playing how to play on the mouse and keyboard, because playing on a mouse and keyboard is totally different than playing on a controller. Mouse and keyboard, it's a little easier to move around. It's just you have to memorize the keyboard because it's a lot wider than a controller, so it is different for me. I usually play games on controller, except for Enter the Gungeon, but I'm trying to learn how to be more diverse in playing games. Halo, I'm strictly sticking to controller on Halo. I'm not deviating from that. But for other games, I gotta learn how to play the mouse and keyboard. I want to get better at the mouse and keyboard. Okay, so we got a request. General, you said Link. Okay, I got you on Link. All right, let me look at Link real quick. Where's Link? Let's see. Yeah, you caught me right on time. Okay, good. So Link, let's see. Link is overall bearish based off the higher time frame, but looking at it here, we did bounce off this fractal zone here, so I do see that. Let me see. Any divergence? So we do have some. Oh, you know what? You could actually take this short right now on Link. There is some divergence here, hidden bearish divergence right here on the RCI. and you just got a short signal. Actually, don't get in just yet. Wait for an hour and 10 minutes. I know that's very specific, but the reason why is because you need to wait for this candle to close. Once that candle closes, then you could take that trade. So this would be the setup here. Tight stop loss here and a short right there. So your entry would be at $13.90. Target would be at $12.98. Stop loss will be at $14.59. So yeah, that's your trade setup right there. Oh, you said you're already short? Okay, cool. Oh, so you wanted me to confirm if it was a short or not? Yeah, it's definitely short from what I'm seeing. There's a lot of bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. RCI is also very bearish as well. So yeah, I'm bearish here. We're gonna find out how this one goes. Let me also flag it so I could come back to this later. Cause sometimes if I don't flag something, I forget about it and don't even remember what I looked at. So there's that short trade there. Leroy, you said everyone sign up for the course and student. I learned a lot from it and made bank. Yeah, you only been like I said, you've been with me for at least a month, and you've been making a lot of money in the Discord. Like when I see your trades and then I see your results, your testimonies, you've been making a lot, and I'm like, wow, bravo. So definitely, I appreciate that, Leroy, for you like hyping me up as well, like telling people to join and be a student, because that means a lot to me. At the same time, I do continue to get results on your own, man. You studied, you learned a lot, especially in the classes. So keep it up, man. I'm proud of you, for real. So I'm really proud of you. So if anybody wants to be a member or they just want the course, let me know. You join this Discord. I want to show you something that I'm able to do, because I programmed this bot. Here's the Discord. I hit exclamation mark Discord, and boom, look what happens. Oops, it shows the Discord. At least it should come up. Let me see. It's got to come up in a second. I don't know why it's lagging so much today. All right, there we go. See, there we go. And also, and also you can follow me on my socials. I think I have it to where if you want to follow me on Twitter, anybody, somebody test this out real quick. Because I programmed the bot on. I want somebody to test this out for me, because I don't know if it works for you guys yet until someone tests it out. Hit exclamation mark and then type in Twitter. I want to see if the bot will pick it up, because if not, I might have to reprogram it on here. So can someone test that out for me real quick? I want to see if it works. So after I find out if it works or not, I could just fix that bug or not. All right, but right now, if there's any more requests, let me know. I'll take some more requests from members. Let me know. Okay, so far I don't see any requests. Okay, cool. Let me go ahead and look. Let me look at one more chart. And I'll wait for you guys to give me something. Okay, so General, you're asking for sushi, and Mike, you're asking for ICP. Okay, ICP. So I'm on ICP already. So let me click on that one, and then I'll look at sushi next. Man, there's a lot of bearish divergence here. You could go short on ICP right now. You just got a short signal for it. It's gonna take a while for the trade to set, go into commence, but you just got a short signal just now, and you also have hidden bearish divergence right here, right there. Yeah, so yeah, you just got a short signal here. So if you want to take this trade, let me give you this, the setup. Stop loss. Put your stop loss above Yeah, put your stop loss slightly above the key June. Give it some breathing room. And then your first target's going to be down here. Let me see where this is. Yeah, your first targets are going to be down in here. Because this is a fluctuation level. So your first target's going to be $17 on the dot. And then underneath that, $16.82. Then after that, let's see. Oops, wrong one. That's not what I meant to do. Boom, right here. So this is going to be your one-to-one target right there. So that's what I'm seeing for ICP. It's still funny it's called that, but right there, your overall target, your one-to-one measured move will be $15.94. And then sushi. Let's knock sushi out, and then we'll be done with the request. Here we go, sushi. Sushi. You know what? I want some sushi right now that I'm thinking about it. Because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. They say it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I might buy some sushi. I need some sushi now. But anyway, I'm tripping. Let me go ahead and look. And also, this one's saying the same thing. You got hidden bearish divergence here. But you don't have a signal to go short yet. So same exact thing for the last one. It's just this one you have a tighter. It's tighter. And then also let's look at some levels. Level here. Right there. If you can't get past this level, the fluctuation point, then don't even bother looking at these targets down in here, because this is an important level. But I do think it'll still move lower. But your overall target will be $2.90. Your second target will be $3.14. And then stop loss will be at $3.55. And then entry point will be at $3.39 right there. So that's what I'm looking at. If you guys could, if you do take that trade, then yeah, that's the trade right there. And you said, yeah, sushi would be fire right now. And I'm hungry now. Yeah, you're making me hungry, man. All right. If you want to be a member, the Stream Elements bot just gave you guys a chance to be a member. So if you want to be a member to the Nation Hidden in the Clouds, join the Cloud Life family. Definitely click on that link. Pick whatever membership you want, and then going from there, connect your account to the Discord and have access to the group. Other than that, okay, we got another request. Okay. Ice cream party, so yes, Mike J, let me get you on this last one on Hood. I don't even know if I've looked at Hood. Actually, I have looked at Hood before. Really long time ago, but I don't have it on my list. So let me type that out. Let's see. I think I was saying last time that I hated this chart. I think this was the one that I said I really did not like because it's so much noise. Yeah, this was it. Let me see if I can find a better chart on this, because sometimes these crypto charts are really ugly and I'm like, that ain't it. Let me pull up my other one. Let's see right here. Hood. Here we go. Man, there's no good Hood charts. Darcy, you said you realized you're 25 minutes behind on the stream. Dang. Poor Darcy. I was like, how'd you find out you were that far behind? Did you fast forward or something? Let me see. It's really called Hood Rat. That's funny. Hood Rat. Oh man, looking at this chart is bad. I don't even know if I want to use this one or the one on, or this one, because they're both they're both very identical. It's just this one is a little nicer to read. than the other one. Here on this chart, let me see, because on this chart it's saying get bullish. On this chart, it's not saying get bullish, which is strange. So I don't know which chart I should believe. Actually, what's the price of Hood? Because maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Oh, I probably am looking at the wrong one. Hold on. Let me see. Nope, I'm looking at the right one. I don't know why this says crypto. This is interesting. But anyway, I don't know which one. What's the price of Hood right now? Yeah, let me know what the price of Hood is right now, because right now I'm getting two different charts that say way two different prices. One says like $11 and the other one says like below a cent. So I don't know which one I need to use. You said I just seen the red bar on YouTube was way back. Okay, that's what happened. Why did it delete your message? It says YouTube deleted your message, Jose. But I see your message because I have two charts. I have two chat boxes up. I know what it says. It says here. Oh, you delete. Okay, it says your question was any thoughts on the Dow Jones? Last time I looked at the Dow Jones, I think it was bullish at the time, from what I believe. But I would have to look at that another time. I don't know why your message got deleted. That's strange. I just saw your message get deleted before my eyes. That's crazy. But on my other chat box, your message didn't get deleted. So that's strange. You said you're not a member yet, so if not, I get it. But curious your style of Ichimoku on the Dow Jones. I know it's very correlated with Bitcoin at the moment. Right now, I think the Dow Jones is moving up. Based off what I last looked at them on the market. But yeah, Jose, if you want to be just a basic member, you don't have to be like a student or nothing. You could just be like the lowest tier member, because I don't just look at Forex. I mean, at crypto, I look at Forex, stocks, and gold too. So if you want to just be a basic level member, you could be a basic level member. You don't have to be a student. I just would like if you became a member just to support the channel. It would be nice to just have support. You don't have to go crazy and be a member for like the highest tier or VIP member. You could just be, just a normal member. So whatever you want. But I do want the reason why I'm doing it like this, having members get requests, because I do want to keep time, conserve on time as well, and then also support your boy. Let me get some water because my mouth is dry right now. All right. So now that we're done with all this analysis, and for Hood, and also for Hood, I can't really give you an analysis for it because I don't know which chart to use. But if I'm gonna analyze this chart, overall, there is, this level is holding. I will say that this is a order block too, a really big order block. So if you are looking to take a trade here, there is some slight bullish divergence at this level. So this is flat, this is moving higher. So that's bullish divergence there. You could, have a really, really, really tight stop loss on this one. A really tight stop loss here. And, you could go long now and have your stop loss underneath this level. But this is how I would play this one, because this one, there's a lot going on here, and there is an order block here as well. So I would look to target this area on Hood. But that's about it. Let me take Ichimoku off. So yeah, this is what I would look at the market like. Just trading levels. So this looks like a good level to trade. Stop loss underneath here, entry point here, and then let the market take you up if it's going to go up. But yeah, that's what I have for Hood. You said you have no idea, brother. And yeah, man, for sure. I get it. Yeah, okay, I appreciate that, Jose. Thanks for being understanding, man. Let me see. Boom, right there. But since we're done with some charts, let's go ahead and get some gaming in. Like I said, I'm going to play Apex on my first round of Apex on Friday. So it gives me a little bit more time to practice so I don't suck in front of you guys. I've only been practicing the game for 2 weeks. I've only been practicing the game for about 2 weeks now. So I think I'm comfortable enough to, get into some actual gameplay. And hopefully I have some good teammates when I start playing, because I know teammates make the difference in playing the game. So we'll see how playing Apex goes on Friday. And then other than that, let me see. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and move this back over. I'm going to focus on the 4-hour time frame. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the Gungeon. Leroy, you said thank you, Sensei, for everything you do. I appreciate you. Leroy, I appreciate you for even being a student and wanting to learn from me. So bless you for just that alone. And your results speak for itself. So it's awesome. Can someone do a test for me real quick, because I don't think y'all heard what I asked, but I want to test and see if y'all have access to my bot on here. Type in !! Twitter. I want to see if it's gonna work for you guys, because if y'all ever need to get a hold of me on social media, I made it so y'all could have access to the bot. Just a secret. Well, not really a secret, but yeah, someone type in ! Twitter. I want to see if it comes up. Let me see. Okay, so it didn't come up. Dang it. So I need to fix my bot then, because it's supposed to come up like immediately. So what happens is when you type in ! Twitter, the bot will put out a link for my Twitter, and then, but apparently it's not working. So I'm gonna have to fix that later. So I appreciate y'all letting me know. I might have to fix that after the stream. So tomorrow, by Friday I should have it fixed. So yeah, by Friday I should have it fixed. So, but other than that, we're gonna get into this gameplay. If I suck, I suck. But other than that, we're about to play some Enter the Gungeon. If y'all never played it, y'all will be excited, because it's a pretty fast-paced game. It's pretty intense. It starts off slow depending on your weapons, and it builds up faster and faster as you go through each level. There's 6 levels in all. The 6 levels, the hardest. It's like old school Mario. If you die, you start from the very beginning. So if you get to the last level and die, you start from the very beginning. So it's like an old school type of feel, but it's also very fast paced, and it's also very quick. So you could get through the levels quickly if you have the right weapons. So we'll see. Let me see. Okay, so right now why is it not going? There we go. All right. So we're gonna play Enter the Gungeon now. Y'all cheer me on. Drop some fire emojis in the chat. Hype me up, because I want to finally beat this game with a certain character to unlock the final character. I get so close, but I always fall a little short. So y'all drop some fire emojis in the chat. Hype me up, because I want to give you guys a good show and a good run on this first game. So let's see how we do. Let's go. I've been waiting to play this for a minute. I was supposed to play last night, but I didn't. I was getting stuff done and watching some prayer sessions. Ooh, wow, they gave me some trash weapons, but we're gonna go with this one. Oh my goodness, this weapon's weak. This weapon's weak. Let me change it real quick. Let's go with this one. Nope, nobody here. Let's go here. Let's go. I appreciate that, Gerard. Oh, snap. Let's see. Jose, thank you for the super chat. God bless you for that, man. Appreciate that a lot. Let's go. Woo. Oh, I got hit. You said thank you for your time, brother. God bless. No, thank you, man. Thank you for even giving me time. Because if you weren't here, I wouldn't even have time. You know, I wouldn't even have time to do all what I do. So thank you. All right, boss battle, you guys. Let's go. Dang. I got the Trigger Twins on the first run. So this is just gonna be a warm-up round. Usually I don't do too good on my first run, but let's see how we do on this. Woo. You thought, buddy. Let's go. Ooh, get out of there, get out of there. All right, one down, you guys. One down. We got one down. Let's see. Where you at? Ooh, he's putting on some pressure. Got him. Let's go. Let's get some W's today. And we didn't even get touched either, too. Let's go. So far we're having a good start on this run. Let's see. Ooh. I could get the platinum bullet, which is OP. I could get that, which is OP, and that, which is pretty OP. So let's see. I might have to go with this one. Hopefully they give me this opportunity again, but I'm gonna have to go with this one. Let's see. All right, so far so good. Let me see what's in here. See, we're not doing bad on this run. Usually my runs, when I do runs like this, I get like destroyed, but today we're doing pretty good. So we might have a good successful run today. Ooh. Which way I want to go? Let's go down. Next, let's go. All right, we're not doing bad this run, y'all. We're actually doing pretty well. So we might actually go all the way on this one. Let's see. Okay, just hearts. Okay. Alright, boss battle, let's go. Of course it's the snake. It's one of the hardest ones, so hopefully I don't get hit too often because this one is unpredictable. It moves a lot faster than... It just moves fast, I'll just say that. Ooh. Oh, I got hit, dang. I'm getting hit way too much in this fight. Game. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Replenish that, take that. Let's go back to the shop. And we'll get, let's see. I don't really need that. Okay, we're just gotta go ahead. Round 3, you guys, round 3. Let's see. This could be good. Let's go with the little dude. That was close. Ooh. Oh man. Nice. Let's go. Okay, nothing here. Let's go. Ooh, there's so much going on. I'm getting sniped and everything. Hold on a second. Ooh, that was a lot of pressure right there. Man, they ain't giving me no ammunition. Yeah, they're making me play for it. All right, boss battle. Let's go. All right, let's see. Ooh. That was weak. There we go. Woo. You know, for a warm-up round, we're doing pretty good, chat. So what y'all think so far, chat? You think we're going to make it all the way? You think I'm going to make it? You think I'm going to pull it off? We'll go ahead and chat with you guys. So if this is y'all's first time seeing this game, drop a fire emoji so I can know in the chat if this is your first time seeing this game or even hearing about this game. If you are a gamer, I do recommend that you like check this out, you know, just to see. It's something different. It's something, you know, interesting. I do think, you know, this game is very underrated, but you know, it is a older game. Not too old. It's not really old, but it is it's definitely a different type of pace of game. And it makes you think very quick on your feet too. What weapon do I want? What is that? I'm not sure what I want here because none of these are really that good. Appreciate that, Gerard. Thanks for the fire emoji, brother. Yeah, man, check this game. It's actually a co-op game too. So if ever you download the game, you could like check it out because it is a co-op game. Yeah, it is very RGP-ish. It is very RGP-ish. It is fun though, man. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty fun. It could get intense at times too. Let's go. Wait a minute. No, we're not gonna use that. Here we go. Easy peasy. Oh! Get him! There we go. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, they had me squared away there. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's definitely a co-op game. So if you ever get on this, we could get some rounds in on this. I usually play this game with my little sister. She's actually the one that introduced me to this game. She actually live streams on Twitch sometimes. She plays Mario Party, this game, Into the Gungeon. She plays Mario Karts, Mario. What's the other one? The last time she played was Mario Golf. And then there's another game she plays, but she's pretty diverse in her gameplay. I'm trying to get her to play Apex with me, because I remember when we were kids, we used to play Halo together, and we played Legendary. Man, me and my sister, when we were little kids, man, we go harder at the games. But you know, it got to the point where she got better than me at racing games, because she used to like get mad at me when we were little, because I would beat her at every single game we play as kids. And then she finally got better at the first racing game we played was Mario Kart, and then we played Diddy Kong Racing. So when we played Diddy Kong Racing, she got real good at that game where I can't even touch her at that game no more. So, you know, when it comes to racing games, she's the queen at racing games. My little sister does not play with her racing games. You said you'll take a look at it. What's it called? It's called Enter the Gungeon. So there's a part 1 and there's a part 2. But I'm trying to beat part 1 first. I think there's like 7 or 8 characters total that you have to get total. You have to beat their past, and then you get the ending. So I want to beat this one first before I play part 2. All right, here we go for this boss. Let's go. Oh no. Get him. Ooh. Ah, got hit. There we go. We take nothing but W's. Let's go. Let's see. Is this a secret? Okay, no. Let's see. Ooh. Oh. Actually, no. We're going to take this out the old-fashioned way. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, they might be spoiling me now. Hold on a second. What I want to fill up? What I want to fill up? Let's go with. Let's go with this one. Okay, at least we unlocked the shop, so we could come back here anytime. Let's go. I lost my shield already. Woo. Not gonna lie, that was a little. I got sweaty real quick. There we go. That's what I needed. Let's see. Woo! Oh, this wasn't a good room. Let's see. Down here. Who else wanted? All right. Oh, whoa. He pulled up real fast. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Man, he's on my tail. Hold on a second. There we go. Oh my, like man, he was on me. You said, is it free? I think it's $5.99 for this game. I think it's like $5.99. I think it's $5.99 for this game. But it's worth it though. Definitely worth it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Let's go ahead and fill this up. Y'all getting a little too close. Hold on a second. They got a little too close there. Hold on a second. Actually, no. Let's go up. Let me see. Got you. Let me see. You said, oh, word, because I just looked it up and it said it's free. Oh, wow, it's free? So when I got this game, it wasn't free. When I got this game, it was like $5.99 or like around that price. So, yeah, like $6. Yeah, it is fun, man. And you know the cool thing about this game, it always changes up. It's never the same game. So if you have like your first run is never going to be the same as your second run because they randomize the rooms and they randomize the weapons. So you could have a really bad one, really bad run, or you could have a really good run. So you never know what's going to happen. They change the bosses. It's never the same bosses. It's never the same door, the same dungeon that you're in. They always change it up on you, so you never really have the same run in this game. So that's what I like about it. It keeps you on your toes. They changed it up, and it's exciting. Oh no, you got to go. Oh, hold on a second. There we go. Oh my God. I'm just trying to find this boss room so I can finally finish this level. Ooh. Okay. I think the boss room's here. Let me see. Here it is. You said once I'm done with schoolwork and work for a couple of clients, I'll hop on and get it because it looks fun. Yeah, man. I'll be waiting. So yeah, just you're in the Discord too. So you just shoot me like a message and I'll get in on this game with you on, and we can run it up. Oh man, this boss. All right, guys, this might be it because I don't have the best weapons for this, but we gonna do our best. Woo! You got like Galaga. What's that one game? Galactica, or whatever that game. What's that game called? That old school game. Come on, let's pull this off. Let's go. Thank you, man. I got down to a. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, that was too much. We got it done though. I bet, man, bet. Yeah, that one was intense. Let me see. I'm gonna definitely take this. Which weapon? Oh, yeah, definitely gotta get that. That armor up. You said it reminds me of Contra. Yeah, man. You know, that's funny you say that because this game is a pull from different games. So they have a Legend of Zelda theme in this game. They have Contra 2. They have Galactica. I think that's that old school game. They have they have different references in this game. They have what's that one game with when the chests come to life and they try to kill you, like the treasure chests come to life. I think that's like a soul. I forget what it's called. Soul something. You said, can you upgrade your weapons? Yeah, yeah, you could upgrade your weapons, but in this mode, no. I'm doing like this run is called Rainbow Run. So when you do Rainbow Runs, you can't upgrade your weapons. You play with whatever you get. Oh man, they gave me this. This might be the game changer. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. So a Rainbow Run, it gives you like between A tier and S tier weapons, and so they already give you like the best of the best weapons, but you just can't upgrade them. The upgrades would be like synergies. So you would go to like this woman in here, she'll like upgrade your weapons, but since I'm doing a Rainbow Run, you can't do upgrades, which kind of sucks, but hey. Dadgummit, I lost my shield. I'm gonna go with this one for a minute. No. Where you at? Where you at? Dang. There is too much going on here. Hold on a second. Wait a... I got this freak here trying to kill me. Then I got these people here. Hold on a second. Golly, this room is intense already. Dang, they even blessed me with any armor or any ammunition. Dang. Whew. Y'all think y'all slick. Okay, got you. Man, so I could already go to the boss room. You know, I'm gonna just go to the boss. I'm not even gonna waste time. I'm just gonna go. Just gonna go straight into it. Oh, they're cheap. Oh, we're down to one heart. Let's go. Alright, we have half a heart left, you guys. One more hit, it's over. Come on! Yes, let's go. It's still one more hit, it's over, so I can't get touched. Hold on. Woo. Yes. Yes. Man. Dude, oh my God. I have a heart left and beat this. Man. And this is not even the last level either, so if I get hit once, it's over. But I'm not even gonna be mad because that last battle was, yeah, that's intense. Oh man. Okay, we can't be doing that. All right, time to go to Bullet Hill, and then we gonna make something out of it. Let's see. Oh man, but that round was intense. I'm not gonna lie. That last boss battle was. You said good grief, right? My heart was on edge for real though. Oh, they gave me all the sucky weapons too, so I might die here. If they give me like some good stuff, I have a chance. If I could get a heart, I might have a chance to make it through this. I just need at least 3 hearts and I could beat this, but one hit it's over, so we gonna do our best, man. We gonna do our best. Let's go. Dang, I didn't even see him. He just came out of, okay, he was in the middle of the screen. Okay. Dang. Dang, that was tough. That's a tough loss right there. So I got 252 kills. Got my money up. Okay. So I did this in 31 minutes. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not a bad run. I'm gonna do 2 rounds today. So if this round sucks, if this next round sucks, then I'm gonna do another one. But I want to do at least, you know, try to make it to at least the 5th or the 6th level. You know, like this was a 6th level, so this was a tough one, but and this was also the first run too, so this was like the warm up. So I'm prepared mentally. Oh yeah, they started me off with the shotgun too. You said, wait, that what? That's fast? Yeah, man. Like I told you, like when I get into the zone, I'm in it. Let's see. Let's go. I think I just got an alert for XRP. I don't know yet. Reload. Whoa. I got hit? Unacceptable. All right.